Hello, nice to meet you again. Yeah, nice to meet you again. How your family? Yes, I'm Sang and you. You the same to you, Sang. Can I ask you some questions about your family? Yes, you can ask me. How many members are there in your family? Yes, there are. Yes, there are three members in my family and you. Yes, there are four members in my family. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Yeah, I have one brother and me and you. No, and me. Uh, can you tell me about your parent name? Yeah, I can. What is your mother name? Yeah, my mother name is Sopha and you. Yeah, my mother name is Danny. How your father name? Yeah, my father name is Tumti and you. Yeah, my father name is Sophia. By the way, what is the main religion in the Cambodia? Yeah, the main religion in the Cambodia is Buddhism. Which religion do most Cambodian people follow? Most Cambodian people follow is Buddhism. Oh, what religion do you follow? I follow Buddhism and you. Yeah, the same to you say. What religion do your mother follow? Yeah, my mother follow Buddhism and you. Yeah, the same to you say. What religion does your father follow? Yeah, my father follow in Buddhism and you. Yeah, the same to you say. Bye bye.